In this short video, we're going to take a look at how to label coordinate points. So first of all, let's take a look at a coordinate axis. A few things to note on the coordinate axis is that the horizontal axis here is always your x-axis. That's representing your x value. And the vertical is always representing your y-axis. I have each line right in here marked as 1, so 5 units right there is 5, and then I have -5 going to the left. I then also have -5 going down and +5 going up. So going up is positive, going right is positive, down is negative, and left is negative. So now let's look at how we can label a coordinate point. If we are given this coordinate point right here, a coordinate point is always labeled as an x value first and then your y value. So starting at the origin, which is 0, 0, we're going to go to the right, which is positive 4 units, and we're going to go up in the y direction a positive 2 units, so the coordinate point is 4, 2. Looking at another example, let's say we had a coordinate point right here. On this example, we're going to go to the left 2 units, which is -2. We're now going up 3 units, which is still positive. So again, writing it as an x, y value, this is -2, +3. Going through another example, if we have a point down here, this is going in the x direction, +4, and in the y direction, we're going -6. So the coordinate point is 4, -6. And the last example I will show you is in the last quadrant. We're going in the x value, -8, and in the y direction, we're going down 3, so it's a -3. So that's the coordinate point, -8, -3.